Hello everybody. Let us continue to work on Python functions. Now we want to write a function which calculates the p-norm. The p-norm is defined as the sum over all the elements of the vector to the power p, and then from all these sum the square root of p. We will need numpy because we want to check our function with the numpy.linalg.norm function, because there is something like that implemented. So we call our function p-norm, and we take two arguments. One is the vector and the other one is the p. So now, first we want the length of the vector, and we will say the p-norm equals 0, and then we run a loop over the length of the vector, and then we say pn plus equals pn. No, I don't need that. If I have plus equal, then I don't need that. Actually, let's write it out. Maybe it's it helps to understand the code a bit better. Then we go over the elements of the vector to the power p, and then we get out of the loop, and then we say again pn equals pn to the power 1 over p, and at the end we return the p-norm. Let's define a vector. Let's say x equals mp.array. Sometimes I mix up German with English. So we have three elements, a three-dimensional vector, and we will call our freshly written function with this vector, and we want at first the to-norm. For e in, there is a small error, e in range, and we get the value 3.74. Let's check if we get the same value from from the numpy.linalg.norm function, and we see it's the same. And there is also an argument, but there is a default value which we should also add to our function, default value of 2. Default value of 2, because let's check the p3 norm. P3 norm is a bit smaller, and also we also check the p3 norm, and we see it is the same. Okay, so it's basically this sum is implemented as the loop here, and afterwards we just take the pth square root and then give it back, and we have taken the Euclidean norm p equals 2 as the default value. Alright, thanks for watching, and keep it up, mate. Catch.